Welcome back to my channel. In this lesson video, we're going to talk about adverbs. But before anything else, let's try this first. Underline the adverbs in each sentence and tell their types. So for example, in number 1, you're going to underline the adverb, and after it, you're going to tell what kind of adverb is it. So number 1, she danced gracefully on the stage. Number 2, the students are waiting outside. Number 3, we often visit our grandparents. 4, he almost finished the race. 5, they will arrive tomorrow. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1, the adverb is gracefully, and it is an adverb of manner. Number 2, outside, it's an adverb of place. Number 3, often, it's an adverb of frequency. 4, almost, adverb of degree. And number 5, tomorrow, it's an adverb of time. Okay, with 2 points each, 2 checks per number, we're going to have a total of 10 here. So what's your score, guys? What did you get? Now let's discuss what an adverb is. So an adverb is a word that modifies 3: a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. And of course, adverb could answer questions such as how, when, where, how often, or to what extent something happens. For examples, she sings beautifully. Beautifully, the highlighted word, modifies the verb sings. So beautifully modifies the verb sings. How does she sing? Next, the movie was incredibly interesting. So the adverb incredibly modifies the adjective interesting. He ran very quickly. Modifies another adverb, quickly. Quickly is an adverb of manner. And of course, this adverb of manner is modified by another adverb, very. So there you go, guys. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, as shown by these simple examples here at the bottom. So what are the functions of an adverb? Let's take a look at this. So we have in the first column the function, second column what it tells us, and third the example. Manner, it's about how something happens. Example, she dances gracefully. So how something happens? How does she dance? That is gracefully. Place, where something happens. The kids are playing outside. Where do kids play? Outside. Time, when something happens. The meeting starts tomorrow. When will the meeting start? That will be tomorrow. Tomorrow is the time here. Adverb of time. Frequency, how often something happens. He always wakes up early. So how frequent does he wake up early? Always. Okay, so the highlighted words here are adverbs: gracefully, outside, tomorrow, always. Another, we have here degree or extent. To what extent something happens. I am completely satisfied. That's the degree, completely satisfied. Probability, how likely something is. Example, they will probably attend. So it's about probability. Interrogative, used to ask questions. When will you arrive? Why are you late? So these highlighted words are interrogative adverbs. Purpose, why an action happens or for what. This is for reading. I read books to learn. So the purposes are indicated here. Now, what about the different types of adverb? Commonly, we know PMFT, place, manner, frequency, time. But actually, there are more other types of adverbs. So let's have this one by one. Adverbs of manner. How? Examples: quickly, carefully, beautifully, silently, and others. Adverbs of place. Where? Here, there, inside, nearby, everywhere, outside, and others. Adverbs of time, answering when, now, yesterday, later, tomorrow, soon, next month, and more. Adverbs of frequency, answering how often, always, often, rarely, sometimes, never, and others. Adverbs of degree, answering the question to what extent, very, quite, almost, to, enough. Adverbs of probability, answering how likely, surely, certainly, probably, maybe. Interrogative adverbs, ask about circumstances, when, where, why, how. Adverbs of purpose, tells why or what reason it is done. Examples: to, in order to, so that, for, in case, lest. Now let's have positions of adverbs in a sentence. 1. Adverb of manner, place, and time, so MPT. The rule says they should come after the verb or at the end of the sentence. Example: she spoke softly. The verb here is spoke, past form of speak. Therefore, our adverb of manner would be after the verb spoke, and that would be here. So, she spoke softly. We met there yesterday. This is an adverb of time, and it's at the end of the sentence. Adverb of frequency, usually placed before the main verb, but after the verb to be or the be verbs. Examples: she always arrives early. The main verb here is arrives. So as the rule says, adverb of frequency should come before the main verb. So this is the main verb. Coming before is the adverb of frequency. What about if it is a be verb? So we have here are. Therefore, the adverb of frequency should be after it. As the rule says, they are usually happy. Okay, what if we have here she is always arriving early? So if we have the be verb is, that would be here, and therefore the position of always will be after the be verb is. She is always arriving early. If that's the sentence, okay? The structure of the sentence. Other positions of adverbs in a sentence. So for the adverb of degree, usually placed before the adjective or adverb they modify. Examples: it's very cold today. The adjective is cold, and this is our adverb very. It comes before the adjective cold. We cannot say it's cold very today. It should be very cold. She runs quite fast. So we also have here the adverb of degree, quite. By the way, please do check your understanding of quite, because quite often students understand this as slightly. But if we're going to check our dictionary, Webster, Merriam-Webster, for example, it will tell us that quite means completely or wholly. So kindly check. Then we have the position of interrogative adverbs. So usually they are at the beginning of questions. Example: when did you call? Why are you crying? So the questions or these questions begin with interrogative adverbs. Adverbs of purpose, usually placed after a verb plus to, in order to, so that, and others. I read books to learn. This box is used for storage. Now let's talk about the sequence of adverbs in a sentence. When several adverbs or adverbial phrases occur together, they usually follow this standard order. MPF TP, manner, place, frequency, time, purpose. Okay, MPF TP. So 1 manner, 2 place, 3 frequency, 4 time, 5 purpose. Okay, MPF TP. Manner is how, place is where, frequency is how often, time is when, purpose is for what purpose, or answering the question, why. Examples. She worked diligently in the library every day last semester to finish her thesis. So diligently is manner, in the library is place, every day is frequency, last semester is time, to finish her thesis is the purpose. Okay, so that's how we do it. MPF TP. The teacher spoke calmly to the class regularly in the morning to guide the students. So we have here calmly, manner, to the class, place, regularly, frequency, in the morning time, to guide the students, purpose. Again, MPF TP. That's the sequence. We have more examples here. The volunteers cleaned thoroughly around the community once a week during the summer to prevent diseases. Okay, so they are colored. This one is manner. Around the community is place. Once a week is frequency. During the summer is the time. And to prevent diseases is the purpose. One more. He practices seriously, manner, at the gym, place, every afternoon, frequency, after work time, to stay healthy, purpose. So we read it as, he practices seriously at the gym every afternoon after work to stay healthy. Okay, MPF TP. Take note of that acronym. MPF TP. We also have here information about commonly misused. So, saying she sings good, in fact, it should be she sings well, because well modifies a verb, while good is an adjective. So we cannot put good in this context. It should be she sings well. He drives careful. Should be he drives carefully. Adverbs of manner add or end in ly or ly. She spoke loud. Should be she spoke loudly. Manner adverbs use ly or ly form. Okay, we have more examples here in context. She writes neatly in her notebook. Please sit here. The concert will start soon. He never forgets his homework. I'm completely exhausted. So adverbs actually put color to the context. Okay, without the adverb, for example, she writes in her notebook. We don't know how the notebooks or the writings in the notebook appear. So please sit here. If there's no adverb of place here, it's just please sit. So it's somehow incomplete, but imagining the situation, probably the person is pointing at somewhere for the person being invited to sit there somewhere. Okay. But of course, it's a lot better if we really have adverbs in our sentences. But of course, adverbs are not quite present in news and research papers. Okay? Let's have these exercises. Choose the correct adverb. Number 1, she speaks softly. 2, he runs quickly. 3, they are always ever on time. It is too very hot today. And number 5, the teacher explained the lesson clear. Okay, so you have your time to answer. Just select the correct adverb for the given sentences. You may pause the video if you need more time. Okay, let's check. So the answer here is softly. She speaks softly. He runs quickly. They are always on time. It is very hot today. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. Did you get 5? Okay, that's great. Let's have letter B, fill in the blanks. Number 1, he plays the piano. 2, the children are playing. 3, she will call you. 4, my father drives. 5, the weather is cold today. Okay, from the given, you're going to fill in the blanks. You may pause the video if you need more time. Okay, let's check your answers. Yes, he plays the piano beautifully. The children are playing there. She will call you later. My father drives carefully. The weather is extremely cold today. Okay, those are the answers. What's your score? Okay, that's very good. Okay, letter C, arrange the adverbs in the correct order. Number 1, the students study in the library quietly every day after class. Arrange the sequence of the given adverbs. Number 2, she exercises to stay fit at the park enthusiastically every morning. We also have number 3, the child reads at home before bedtime, regularly, attentively. Number 4, the team meets to plan projects twice a week, online, seriously. And number 5, he practices guitar for his recital in his room passionately every night. Okay, so there are 5 sentences with adverbs, and you have to arrange the order or the sequence of the given adverbs. Okay, you may go back to the previous slides for numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1, it should be the students study quietly in the library every day after class. Number 2, she exercises enthusiastically at the park every morning to stay fit. Number 3, the child reads attentively at home regularly before bedtime. Number 4, the team meets seriously online twice a week to plan projects. And number 5, he practices guitar passionately in his room every night for his recital. Okay, so there you go. The answers to the 5 given. Okay, did you all get the correct sequence? Okay, there you go, guys. I hope this lesson helps enhance or increase your understanding of adverbs. Okay, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more lesson uploads, practical tips, and anything educational. Have fun learning!